Hello, happy Monday. Happy Monday. How was your weekend? Today I want to take a little break with you. I love coming in here on Mondays and we do a midday Monday movement break with Megan, all the M's, all the things. And today we're going to take a movement break. Why? Because your body likes when you do stuff like that. Your body likes when you move it so that you're not in this position all day long and you're not in that like, oh my goodness, I gotta get all this done, I gotta go, that sort of frantic energy. Because although I know you have a lot that you're working on, you have a lot of things that you're brewing up, which is awesome, and I'd love to know in the comments what that is so we can, celebrate and just stay in touch. I'd love that. So here's the thing. I know you're probably really passionate about what you do, and maybe your to-do list is a mile long and you're thinking like, I really don't have time to be taking a break right now. Or if you're feeling just like overwhelmed with all the things that you have on your plate for today or for the week ahead, I just wanted to pop in and remind you that you get to decide how you're showing up in your business. And if you're in that sort of frazzled state and feeling like you got to keep going and do all the things, maybe that's kind of setting the stage for you to feel like you are overwhelmed or you're not getting as much done as you'd like. Because when you're in that like constantly go, your brain starts to get really distracted. It starts to create distractions, or you're not feeling as tapped in and creative and inspired. So although it might be challenging for you to justify taking a break, I wanted to pause and ask yourself if you going in that push, I got too much to do, I'm so stressed out, I'm literally like pulling my hair out because I have so many things. If you're in that state, is that the full version of you that you want to be showing up as in your business? Because you get to decide how you show up and the version of you that you're being in your business. So ask yourself, is that big vision version of you, do they push themselves nonstop and not take breaks? Do they force their body to hold postures like this all day long? And probably not, right? So I want to remind you that stepping into that version of you, embodying that version of you and making the decisions from that place is so powerful. That's an elevated version of you that's already achieved all of those big goals and dreams and visions. And so if we can start to embody that version now, practice those things now, then we begin to shift. We begin to shift and be able to align with that version of yourself so that you are fully embodying that and that way of being. And so that version of you, I can guarantee, can justify taking 2 minutes to move and breathe because you'll feel better after. And that version of you knows that your body and your mind and your spirit are connected, and that when you do something that nurtures one of those things, it benefits all of those things. And so I wanted to just remind you that, for you to be able to show up and shine and be your brilliant and magical self, then it takes a little bit of love and care. And taking a moment to just be, rather than always in the doing. If you take a moment to just be, to be in your body, it really does change how you feel. It changes your energy. It gives your body and your brain a boost of energy, clarity, inspiration. And so it definitely is worth the time, right? And so let's do that right now. It's going to be so simple. You'll be like, holy moly, wowzers. Okay, so what we're going to do is stand up nice and tall. Roll your shoulders up, back, and down, and bring your hands together. Close your eyes and take a big deep breath. Breathe it out through your mouth super slow. Stand taller. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. So you're already doing yoga. Congratulations. Breathe in again. And breathe out. Stand a little taller. Relax your shoulders. One more time. Okay, now pull your belly in, lift your chest up, and you're gonna open your eyes, and what we're gonna do is reach your arms up in the air. Reach your arms up. Can you feel how automatically you're already taller? You're elevating yourself by reaching back up. Gravity, compression, sitting, computer work crunches you down. We gotta keep reaching yourself back up, right? This is so simple, but it's a game changer. So reach yourself back up, pull your belly in. Now lift your chest And you're gonna look up a little bit more if it's comfortable in your neck. So look up a little bit more, breathe, reach your fingers up. And if this position doesn't feel good for your shoulders, go wider, totally fine. Breathe in and breathe out. Reach up, pull your belly in, lift a little bit taller. And then exhale, bring your arms down by your side. Close your eyes. Observe your breath. Do you have more space to breathe into? Good. Open your eyes one more time. And now reach up. Now pull up from deep in your belly. So exhale, squeeze your belly, lift your chest. And then we're going to clap your hands together. If it doesn't feel good in your shoulders, then keep your hands apart. Okay, so clap your hands together and you can interlace your fingers. So we were making Charlie's Angel Mudra or Kaspana Mudra. We're gonna reach our arms up, and this is a good one because it helps us to kind of slice through any obstacles that are in our way, increases our feelings of optimism and inner power. So squeeze your arms together, lift your belly, lift your chest, and now lift your chest a little bit more and look up. Breathe. Again, if your arms don't like that position, then you can keep your hands apart. Lift your chest. And now exhale, bring your arms back down by your sides and close your eyes. Breathe again and breathe out. Do you feel different? Let me know in the comments. It is so incredibly powerful to just even do that. Literally, right? You're always on a journey of moving forward, growing, and leveling up, reaching new steps in your life, reaching new mile markers, new goals, because that's what we're doing. And especially as entrepreneurs, right? You have big goals for yourself. You have impact goals, income goals, and it's really important that you continually align with those. And that version of you that is aligned with those, that is on that big mission, is in a very powerful energetic space, right? And that is physical, mental, emotional, energetic alignment is really important. That's what we're talking about, right? Who we are being today to align with our big goals. So you can think of that. A lot of times, we talk about alignment from a mental and emotional perspective, but we also have to remember that alignment is very much affected by your physical self as well. And if you are in this sort of posture, which limits your ability to breathe, limits energy flow throughout your body, it makes you probably feel more tension and pain, that's a very different posture than the one that you're hopefully in right now. The one that you're in right now, a lot more open, right? You feel how you are able to really stretch yourself back up. In that open posture, you are feeling, hopefully, let me know in the comments how you're feeling. I feel a lot more, my body feels more stacked, it feels stronger, it feels like I have more space to breathe into, it feels like I've moved myself back into that more empowered posture, right? So more upright, less scrunchy, slouchy posture. And that's very powerful, because not only is that a stronger position for you to move forward from, it brings your body back into alignment, so less tension, less pain, more blood flow to your brain, which then of course lends to you being more present, more creative, more productive. All of those things are benefited by just that simple movement of moving yourself back into strong alignment. So whether you look at it from a postural point of view, an energetic alignment point of view, an embodiment point of view, the way that you carry yourself is so, so powerful. So if you find that you're feeling like frustrated and frazzled and you just have to keep doing, there's so many things and you're doing things and you're just not getting the results that you want, we need to remember the being doing those things is so important, right? From a mental perspective, but also for the purposes of this discussion, from a physical perspective as well. Because if you are in that closed off posture, then you're limiting blood flow, you're reducing energetic flow throughout the body. So from a yogic perspective, we call that prana or chi or vitality. So we need that energy free flow throughout your body, right? And that's really important to remember, because when you are in that aligned state, that's powerful. That's an elevated state. And it's really the state that we want to be showing up for showing up as in your business. And it's really important. And you saw how quickly you could change that around, right? How quickly you can go from being in that sort of slouched position to in a stronger, more upright, elevated, empowered, confident, energized posture. It doesn't take a lot, but it does require that you do it. And when you know how beneficial it is for you, and you just even feel the difference, you just feel better, right? Then it definitely is something that you want to integrate into your day. So hopefully that you found this little mini training helpful today. Remember that your body influences your mind and your mind influences your body. It's a two-way street, two-way communication. And so when you do a little something that benefits one, you're benefiting all the layers of your beautiful self. And you best believe that big vision version of you that is rocking up into that, full achievement and full accomplishment, they carry themselves in that way. And that's important for you to begin to carry yourself and embody that energy today. So do simple movements like that. Get yourself back into strong physical alignment so that you're feeling energized, clear, focused, ready to rock the rest of your Monday, ready to rock the week, the last week of April. Like, how did that even happen? I don't even know, but here we are. And I love your feedback on this video. Let me know if you enjoyed that, because going from that frazzled and frustrated and like overwhelmed state to feeling empowered, feeling elevated, that's a huge difference. And when you show up from that place in your life and in your business, then that's where the magic really happens. And you are able to show up and shine and own your brilliance. So thanks for being with me here today, or later if you watch this on the replay, and let me know your comments or questions in the comments below, and definitely reach out. And if you are wanting to learn how to live and show up in your business from that elevated, empowered state, definitely come over and join me in my free community. It is called Elevated and Empowered Entrepreneurs, and I would love to have you join. We share lots of practical tips for you to keep your body strong and healthy, so you are in that elevated emotional and physical state, and empower you with tools that you need to navigate the wild ride of entrepreneurship, with guest experts that come in and share different strategies and tools and tips, as well as fun way to collaborate and communicate and network with amazing entrepreneurs all the way around the world. So if you're not already inside that community, then definitely come on over and join us, and I can't wait to see you over there. And until I do, or until next time here, have an amazing day. And remember, elevate yourself so that you carry yourself from that powerful, energetic place, embodying the identity and the way of being that you know that you need and want to have in order to be able to make that big leap in your business, to make those big impact and income goals that I know you got them. So I look forward to seeing you very soon. And until then, take care. Bye-bye.